This is another quick little video and a little feature in here that people probably don't know is here, or sometimes they accidentally turn it on without realizing it and then wonder why they get certain results, etc. So there's something in here that's a little boost button, or a turbo zone it used to be called in some other things. Basically, if you turn this zone on and off, you will see it's just going on and off. If I turn it on and then I press and hold this for a few seconds, you'll see this little icon pops up here. What that's doing is that now in the background has forced this living zone to be 100% open straight away. It's instantly blowing as fast as it can blow, and any of these other zones here that are on at the moment will only open to 50% in the background. You can't see this because I have it set up a certain way, but if this was open at 100% before, as soon as I tap that feature, it backs this off to 50%. So it's basically trying to put emphasis on getting as much air as quick as possible into this living area. The thing you have to remember with this is that it's kind of like you manually overriding the system. So if this room here gets 223, it's not going to be able to close the zone motor because we've boosted it or stuck it open at 100%. So you will find after a while that this, even though it's set for 23 degrees, this might get down to 20 degrees or 19 degrees. And if you're wondering why that's happening, it's because somebody's accidentally turned this feature here on. So what you're supposed to do is, if I say wanted to turn on, if I had all this on now, I wanted to turn on my garage, I wanted to try cool it as quick as I could, I'd press and hold the power button, puts it into turbo mode, puts this on 100%, backs off the zones to all the other rooms, and now I'm getting as much air as I can to that. Once this gets close to the temp it's set for, to disable this, you turn the zone off and turn it back on again, and as you can see, it's gone now. But we have spoken to many people before that have accidentally turned that on, and they wonder why rooms are getting really cold and some others aren't. So it's handy if you use it sometimes, you just have to remember to disable it afterwards. Hope that helps.